I am Dr. Rupa Angar here. Today I will talk about care of newborn. Newborn. A baby born at term, that is 37 completed weeks up to 42 weeks completed weeks of gestation, is known as term baby. This term baby is generally between 2.5 kg to 4 kg in weight, and the length is between 50 to 52 centimeters normally. Immediately after birth, the baby needs to be attended by a medical health worker expert in resuscitating newborns, preferably a qualified pediatrician. The pediatrician should be aware of important history concerning the parturient. These details regarding mother's age, parity, antenatal complications, gestational age, previous obstetric history, presence of any medical disorders, labor progress, and or complications of labor should be known to the pediatrician. This will help pediatrician to be prepared for the baby which may be having certain problems due to the history of the mothers. So mother may be teenager or elderly primary or multipara, grand multipara, or woman who may be having history of hypertension or diabetes or anemia or some drug intake. These are all going to affect the outcome in the newborn. Also, gestational age is very important because you need to be specially prepared for a baby which is preterm, or it may be intrauterine growth restricted baby. Previous obstetric history is also important because if there is a history of congenital malformed babies or repeated abortions, this is an important history to predict the outcome of the present newborn. Also, in prolonged labor, baby may be distressed, or if the labor is instrumental delivery, forceps delivery, you have to look for some different kind of complications in the baby. Immediate care of the baby. The baby is received in a tray covered with clean linen and placed with slightly head-low position under the lamp of the baby warmer. Air passage is cleared by placing suction catheter in oropharynx. Apgar score is noted at 1 minute and 5 minutes. Cord is tied, leaving behind a length of cord from umbilicus, and any abnormality of the cord is noted. This is the general management. In detail,